Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest notifications that don't show up. First of all, you're going to go ahead and open your settings app, search for notifications, and then scroll down and go to Pinterest, and then make sure you have allowed notifications from Pinterest. Next, go ahead and inside Pinterest, go ahead and click on your profile, click on the three dot option on the top right, and then go to settings, scroll down or search for notification, and make sure you have turn on the notifications option. Restart your iPhone, update the app, and do not allow update the app by going to the App Store, search for Pinterest, and make sure you have updated it to the latest version. Quick fix: turn notification off, then on again to reset them, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.